Machine learning is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. Whether it's recommending your favorite movies or diagnosing diseases, understanding the basics of machine learning can open up a world of opportunities. Today, we'll explore the fundamentals of supervised and unsupervised learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence where computers are programmed to learn from data and make decisions. Unlike traditional programming, where a computer follows explicit instructions, machine learning algorithms build models based on sample data, known as training data, to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. Think about the recommendations you get on Netflix or the way Google Photos organizes your pictures. These are powered by machine learning. Supervised learning is one of the most common types of machine learning. In supervised learning, we have a labeled dataset, which means we have input-output pairs. The goal is for the algorithm to learn from these pairs and make predictions on new, unseen data. For example, imagine you want to create a spam email filter. You would train your model with a dataset of emails that are labeled as spam or not spam. The model learns to identify patterns and characteristics of spam emails, so it can predict whether a new email is spam or not. Some popular algorithms in supervised learning include linear regression, which predicts numerical outcomes, and decision trees, which are used for classification tasks. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, deals with unlabeled data. The goal here is to find hidden patterns or intrinsic structures in the input data. Since the data is not labeled, the machine learning model looks for similarities or differences within the data. A common application of unsupervised learning is customer segmentation in marketing. Businesses collect data on customer behavior and use unsupervised learning to group customers with similar characteristics. This helps in creating targeted marketing strategies. Clustering algorithms, like k-means and hierarchical clustering, are widely used in unsupervised learning. They help group data points into clusters based on their similarities. The main difference between supervised and unsupervised learning lies in the presence of labeled data. Supervised learning uses labeled data to make predictions, while unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data to find patterns. Each type of learning has its own strengths and applications. Supervised learning is great for tasks where we have clear, labeled data and want precise predictions. Unsupervised learning shines in exploratory analysis, where we want to uncover hidden structures in data. Understanding the basics of supervised and unsupervised learning is crucial as these methods form the foundation of many advanced machine learning techniques. Whether you're looking to build a spam filter or understand customer behavior, mastering these concepts will open up many possibilities. Keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows? You might just build the next big thing in machine learning.